Now this is very interesting part. If you try to understand how this double, single and triple offset disc is moving inside the butterfly valve body, then it will be very interesting. So let us see if how we are having three configuration. If we start with this point, okay, we are having a butterfly valve and is its disc inside it. Then we cannot rotate it. It will not move because this point will obstruct with the sitting. If we try to offset this center point from this point to this point, then there will be less touching area between disc and sitting. Okay, this is the double offset type valve if you see, but after trying everything, there will be some portion, a small portion which will touch with the ceiling, with the seat. Okay, to avoid this, here we are going to have metal sitting, metal seated valve. Metal seat will be there. Disc is also metal. Then there will be a metal to metal contact. Okay, so small touch with the seat, it can damage the seat, which will be very costly to repair. So what we are doing, we are having at the touching point a elastic plate. When this disc will touch it, it will move a little, but it will avoid damaging it. Okay, so touching we cannot avoid, very small portion will be touching here as compared to this one. It will be very less, but how we are mitigating it? By putting a elastic plate at this point. Okay, what is happening in triple offset? We have shifted this point from this point to third offset. Okay, now we can, once this will be, this disc is rotating keeping this point center, then there will be no touch at all with the seat. Okay, so this is a very safe design. There is no metal to metal contact, no chance of damage. Okay, so this is a typical configuration of triple offset valve. Okay, if you see here, this is a straight configuration which is similar to this, and if we shift this point center line shaft to this point along with the angle, okay, so this is becoming the third offset. So in third offset there is no contact between disc and seat. Here there is small contact between disc and seat, but we are mitigating by putting this point. So what is happening in double offset valve? When the disc rotates, small rubbing takes place between disc and seat. As we have discussed, there is small touch is there. As there is a metal to metal contact, to mitigate the erosion issue on the surface, the elastic plate is added at the point of contact. So if you see, this one is added at the point of contact. Double offset valves can handle high pressure and high temperature. Very simple design as compared to triple offset. Okay, hence comparatively very cheap. What is happening in triple offset? When the disc rotates, there is no contact between disc and seat, hence triple offset valves have long life. Okay, we have discussed there is no contact, so there is very robust design, but it will help to have long life. At the same time, when these valves have very complicated design, hence huge cost difference between double and triple offset valves. Metal to metal contact between disc, hence robust design and can handle high temperature and high pressure. So this is the basic design things and interesting facts about butterfly valve, different type of butterfly valves, double, triple and single offset valves. I hope you enjoyed this section. In next part, we are in oil and gas fundas knowledge sharing platform. We have covered all these topics. Time duration against each topic is mentioned here. Now in 2-minute funda part 1 series, we are going to cover 30 topics. I'm sure you're watching the HD and non-HD format along with the subtitles. So keep on watching, keep sharing knowledge.